I'm going to demonstrate for you how to switch from mirroring mode to extending mode on InstaShare. So first thing you need to do is make sure your pairing code is typed into your laptop. And then on your laptop, choose Cast to Display. So right now, if you use this setting, this is going to mirror exactly what's on your laptop. So if, for instance, you wanted to play a game like Kahoot, but you also wanted to take attendance, right now you're kind of stuck. So what you can do is up at this top part on your laptop screen, you're going to choose the two boxes that are right next to each other. If you choose this, it's going to act similar to what you do with your projector, which will switch your mode. So that way on your screen, you have whatever you want to do. So your attendance, but if you want to drag it over, you scoot it to the right on your actual laptop, and then now you can move it over to the screen. So it's very similar to what you do when you have your desktop open and the projector open. Your laptop and your BenQ board now show two different things.